I'm here again for another eMite Life Hacks video. And this time I would want to show you another technique on how you can save time when you create your eMite pages. So let's click on the Edit Page menu, and the first option is Adding Content. So by default, the system will allow you to add fresh data blocks. And when you add fresh data blocks, we all know that it would entail for you to configure it from scratch, giving it a data source, choosing an index, so on and forth. So that's the default option. And there would be additional videos that would help you maximize the next two tabs over here from page template and from widget template. But for today, what I want to show you is how you can import data blocks from existing pages. And that's what the last tab is for from my pages over here. All right. So since I'm working on this page, I would want to continue building it out by importing data blocks. So exactly just like what we've gone through in adding content, I'll go directly to From My Pages tab over here. And I'll go ahead and choose one of the previous pages that I've created and import data blocks from there. So I'll select this select date, which happens to be a date picker data block. So I'll just go ahead and click on OK. And it would exactly place that data block from where it was originally placed in the existing page. So you can, of course, resize it, reposition it anywhere on the page as you please. And I'll also just do one more data block and import it as well from my existing page. And this time I'll add the filter data block, which happens to be a dimension filter. Right? So this definitely saves you some time, because instead of adding a fresh data block that would require for you to select an index, select your dimensions for your dimension filter. If you import it, the dimensions or the settings of that data block basically will be imported as well, or will be carried over as you add that data block on your page by way of importing. The only thing that it won't carry over would be the links, as you would have to do that manually. So I'll just go ahead and link my date picker over here. Link it to my cube report. Same thing goes for my dimension filter that I've imported from one of my existing pages, so that I can use these dimensions to affect or influence the behavior of my cube report. So I'll just link that. Okay, so links are real time, as we know. So I can go ahead and link that. Let's say I want to see for today. So link is working, and I'll go ahead and just select some of the cues here. Let's go ahead and see what we'll have and hit on the filter icon over here. All right, so it seems like I'm just having data for the sales queue. So that's what I wanted to showcase for today, letting you take advantage of that last tab when you add content, again, from my pages over here. All right, so thank you, and I'll be back again for another video of eMite Life Hacks, giving you additional tips and tricks in navigating and maximizing your eMite solution. Thank you.